A paintbrush learns to listen. Have you ever been so proud of something you made, and then a grown-up or a friend suggested a way to make it even better, and it felt a little bit ouchy? In a busy paint-splattered art studio, a little paintbrush was about to learn a magical secret about listening. Splash was a young, bright-eyed paintbrush with bristles that were perfect for making bold, happy strokes. His favourite thing in the whole world was to paint big, beautiful blue skies on the artist's canvas. He would dip himself in the bluest blue and swoosh! A sky would appear. He was very proud of his skies. One afternoon, he had just finished his best sky yet. It was a brilliant, solid blue from corner to corner. Perfect, he declared. Just then, an old, wise paintbrush named Masterstroke, whose bristles were soft and worn from 1,000 paintings, was dipped in white paint and placed gently on the canvas. "That is a wonderful start, little one," Masterstroke said, his voice calm and kind. "But a sky is not just blue, it is full of possibilities. Have you thought about adding a cloud?" Splash's bristles stiffened. A cloud? But his sky was already finished. It was perfect. Masterstroke's suggestion felt like a criticism. It felt like he was saying his sky wasn't good enough. "No," Splash said grumpily. "I like it just the way it is." Masterstroke didn't argue. "Of course," he said, and went back to his quiet corner. But as Splash looked at his perfect blue sky, it suddenly felt a little flat, a little boring. He saw the artist looking at it, her head tilted, as if something was missing. He thought about Masterstroke's words. He hadn't said your sky is bad. He had said it is full of possibilities. He hadn't been a critic, he had been a guide. Taking a deep, shaky breath, Splash did a brave thing. He rolled over to the pot of white paint. Can you show me how to make a cloud?" he asked Masterstroke. The old brush's bristles seemed to smile. "I would be honoured," he said. He didn't take over. He guided. "Just a little bit of white paint," he said. "Now, don't press so hard. Be gentle. Let your bristles dance on the canvas. Let the white swirl with the blue." Splash tried. His first cloud was a bit of a blob, but he remembered that mistakes are just lessons. He tried again, lighter this time, swirling his bristles in a soft circular motion. And then it happened. A perfect fluffy white cloud appeared in the middle of his blue sky. It wasn't a mistake, it was magic. It made his blue sky look even bluer. He felt a thrill that was even better than the feeling of finishing. It was the feeling of improving. He and Masterstroke spent the rest of the afternoon adding a whole family of happy, fluffy clouds to the sky. He had learned a powerful secret. Feedback wasn't a mean word that said, "You are not good enough." It was a kind word that said, "You can be even better." And listening to a wise friend was the best way to turn a good painting into a true masterpiece. And while the little paintbrush learned that listening to feedback can help you create magic, a little mole in a dark burrow was about to learn a very different lesson about what happens when a little story turns into a very big fib. Subscribe to Storiella so you don't miss his tangled adventure.